Hi, if you want to attach pictures in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you would need to open your current default messages app first. In my case, it would be Google Messages, and choose a chat with any of your friends. Now, after that step, you can see this icon with pictures near the text messages tab. Simply select it, and now you can choose videos or photos you want to send. For example, let's choose this video first, and if you would like to add more, you can simply tap on the files like that and you will see the number as well. Here you can also add some text and emojis and send these right now using this arrow. And now it's sent. So let's try it with the photos as well. I'm gonna select these photos. I'm gonna select 6 photos and try to send them. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.